guys, we are here at Joann's. Oh, ito na lang yung natira na mga ano nila, yarn. Wala na yung kailangan kong yarn na para sa project ko. Ubus na, empty na. Huli na kami nakapunta kasi like parang third week na ata ito. Mula nung nag-ano sila na magko-close lahat ng kanilang store. So, wala na. Yung buong wall na yan, empty. Sayang.
This is dark green.
Pero ano pa rin yung mga sale nila. Like, tinan nyo, 25% off lang. Ganyan, 20%, 10%. Pero talagang nabili na rin lahat. Halos. This is cute. Then dito guys sa kanilang mga fabric section, empty na rin. Tatanong ko mamaya sa kanila kung hanggang kailan ito, like kailan talaga yung final closing ng pinaka store. Ayan. So, ayun, kakatanong ko lang dun sa isa sa mga sales associate. Hindi nila alam kung kailan yung pinaka last day talaga. Hindi pa sila nasasabihan ng management. So, ayan. Baka sa April, wala na to or maybe we'll see.
Season.
No, really? I thought you were the one sitting down.
Oliver.
Here's Jade! Say hi! Good luck, ate!
Thank you.
Second game?
After this one?
Saan kayo?
We're going over there.
Doon kayo?
Yeah, so maybe move seats over there.
Okay.
Are you gonna go there?
Yeah, court 3.
Hey guys, we are here at Alaska Airlines Center. So we are here to support Jaden sa kanyang game. And pupunta kami dun sa kabilang section doon. Doon kami uupo. Okay guys, so tapos na yung first game ni na Jaden, pero mamaya pa yung next game nila 5 PM and meron kaming mga pupuntahan, so nauna na kami.
Okay, we're gonna go shopping. Window shopping. Saan ang entrance sila? Look. This is GMC. All the GMCs like that.
Oh yeah. We are here at Chevrolet store. Ganun din eh. Saan ang 6-seater?
GMC.
Eh, ano ba?
Hanapin natin.
29K na lang to? Daddy? 29K to?
Ano?
29K.
Oo. Pero ano yan? Cash.
Now price.
Cash yan.
4K.
Pero pag inano mo yan, yung hinulugan, siguro baka magiging 30 something. Ito, 30.
Hindi, matibay din ba yung GMC? Ano ka ba yan?
36. Can you ask or
30 na.
ha? No, I mean
Hindi na. Wala na hatang ganun. Ganas.
ano ba 'yon? Anong ano 'yon? Do you guys, yeah, we're looking for like a 6-seaters truck.
60, you said?
Yeah.
I don't think I have any in the showroom here, but I should have some outside.
Oh, okay.
This was so big.
Mhm.
I miss huge. I can't. Only 11.
SUV pero ang taas.
No way. Mommy.
Wow! Go take a picture there. Come on, Calix. Calix. It's a Corvette. Daddy, it's your car. This is Daddy's car. Dream car.
We enjoyed the summer. We enjoyed the summer.
Saan?
Thank you.
Hello.
Hello.
Welcome.
Hold.
Okay, we're gonna go see the car. May problema daw yung isa, yung ano, blue. Okay, this one, they have this gray. Yung gusto ko yung taniman, tatluan siya sa front. Ha? So nice.
Look at the engine.
Oh, yeah. It's fun. It's like Transformers, huh?
Spoiler.
Some more sound effects, probably.
Nice.
Oh, this
Doon. Ako mali ata pinusukan ko sa parking.
another one?
Mali pinusukan ko doon pala dapat. Kaya mo dito.
Another one.
Okay, we are here naman sa RAM.
Wala ano.
Dodge. Okay. Mm-hmm.
Then you have a pickup truck.
Mm-hmm.
Like trucks that have more seating, but if you're looking for just a truck, then look there first, right?
Yeah.
Like this is our new
This
truck
is,
right
yeah,
here.
the 1500.
Let me see the seat.
Yeah, this one's 6-seater.
Kasi merong 6-seater na ano, pero merong hindi naka 6-seater daw. Ito nga yung nakita ko sa ano, tong pulang
Is there
to.
a specific color that you're looking for?
No,
Yeah, blue.
well, he wants blue. I don't think.
A bunch of different colors right now.
Okay.
You want to keep walking? It's
Yeah.
pretty far. I don't
Yeah,
mind
it's
either
okay.
way.
Yeah, we're good.
Did you guys have a vehicle you wanted to trade in, or are you
No.
just trying to buy it?
Yeah, a new one. Yeah.
Okay.
We're gonna keep the one that we
Keep
have
the one
right
you
now.
have.
Yeah.
Yeah, we have the black one with the running boards. Some of them won't come with the running boards,
Uh-huh.
so it depends on which one you want. Kind of like it just want to stay dark color, or is blue the color?
Yeah, the blue.
Blue, yeah. And this one is a bigger truck, the 2500 right here.
Oh, this is 2500.
Yeah. But I think we got a couple of that color blue down there.
Uh-huh.
And then I'll look on our website too while
Mhm.
we're out here.
Ibang pagka-blue nito na, Daddy. Big horn.
Yeah, this one should be. Hopefully it's the 6-seater.
Yeah.
Is it? Guys, be careful. Just stay there. So they have a Rebel right here. Oh, parang ang forma nga nito, no? Pero ano nga, short nga na yung bed niya, parang 5 feet.
It's a 6-seater.
Not 6-seater? Oh.
Not 6-seater. That one. It's not
Yeah, this one has a smaller box and it's got more like features to it, off-road features. Better. Yeah, all that too. This one.
Lauren. Okay guys, parang ito na yung gusto ni Daddy. Ha?
6-seater din to.
Itong pula? Yeah, they're the same. Bighorn.
Same ba? Oh yeah, the same lang.
Parang ito na yung gusto niya. Kanina yung nandun sa ano pero maganda yung ganito na nagtitingin kayo muna para may option kayo. And this one is cheaper than the other one. Kinuha nung nung SA yung susi nitong blue na truck. So, ina-try namin siya. Okay lang naman daw. So, okay. Why not, right? So, we'll see. Yun talaga ang ano.
Did you open it?
No, not yet. Are we gonna... Oh,
Are you guys gonna go ba? You guys gonna go? Or just me? I don't wanna. Place in the back.
This actually has the the coolers back here too, on that side as well.
What is that for?
Cooler.
A cooler.
Cooler.
So you put your drinks.
Oh,
For me,
okay.
because I like fishing.
Yeah.
It's a trout
But
cooler.
this one has. This one doesn't have the step. What is?
Yeah, correct.
Yeah.
Yep.
Okay.
It's the color though.
Yeah.
That's what you. We can always add steps too. It's usually
additional.
It's usually about 700, but you can add it into the finance.
The finance.
Yeah.
Okay.
Because if the color is what you want, that's you got to add stuff. But
Yeah.
we do have other ones that do have the running boards. That's like gray and black.
Oh, okay.
But I work for you at the end of the day. I want to give you what you want.
Yeah. Okay.
What are you thinking about it, Junior? Oh, and these seats back here come up too if you need more space.
Oh,
pull that
okay.
one up, too.
Yeah. Nice.
And then you have your automatic window back here, up there in the middle. Down one. One more time. Right there, yep. There's a up and a down for open and close. Oh, we haven't started it yet. Here, so just push
Okay,
the
that's
button.
why.
Right there.
Yeah, okay.
And then you have four-wheel auto.
Now it's two-wheel now.
Yep. Four-wheel high and two-wheel.
Is this V8 or
So
6?
this is our new engine. It's an inline. It's a 3-liter inline 6 twin turbo.
Yeah, 6.
So
Oh,
it's got the
6.
same. It's an inline 6,
Inline
not a
6.
V6.
Yeah.
Inline.
So it
Inline.
lasts longer because there's not as much friction,
Okay.
and they put out the same towing capacity and the same torque as a V8.
Nice.
So that's why we're putting this in, and it saves you gas.
Save gas now?
Yep,
Yeah.
that's why they're putting it in all their 25s.
So the seats, only the front are heated or just the driver?
I think just the both.
Both here. Okay.
And I don't know if this one is, but
Can you?
there's storage
Daddy,
under here
Oh,
too.
this one?
Can I see?
Yeah, there's two.
Okay, and then
And
when
then
it's
if
up.
I go like this, there's more right here.
Oh, okay, I like that. Oh.
There's some drinks right here too if you want.
And then if you
Nice.
trailer, you can trailer brake and trailer steering.
What does
So
it
if
mean?
If you have
sometimes
pulling, yeah.
yeah,
pulling
sometimes it
trailer.
can get confusing, like which way you turn the wheel to get the back to go the correct way. So this will steer it for you
Oh, just
if you steer here, not on there. So it helps some people, like
nice.
because it turns everything backwards when
Yeah,
you're
yeah.
backing
When
up.
you have
This is just right is right, left is left. So it'll put the tail
just
in.
push this one.
Yeah, and then you turn it
Turn
to
it.
where you want it to go, and it'll actually turn the wheel for you.
For real? This one?
So it basically turns it the opposite way for you.
For
So
real?
you don't have to.
You do
yeah.
this?
Yeah, you
Nice.
just when you hook a trailer up,
Is it automatic?
it'll go on. Yeah, you just turn it a little bit, whichever
Okay.
way you want the trailer to go. So if you want the plug-in to go to
That's
the
where the trailer's
left, you
in.
turn that to the left,
Okay.
And this one should be.
and that will
turned
go the opposite.
Yeah,
by
yeah,
itself.
So
opposite. Yeah.
it helps you think about it.
Yeah.
But, so it is not backup camera. And, I think it's saying this is open.
Oh, the door, or
Oh, that's your hitch.
Oh, my hinge. Yeah,
oh, okay.
Hitch not detected, confirm. So once you put it on, it'll have that camera as well.
Okay.
Good storage there and here.
Yeah, there's a storage.
And a power outlet.
Nice.
Normal.
Hi, Mommy.
Hello.
Damn.
Okay. That's good. There's a lot of features on this one.
Just
Oh,
push it.
yeah, you just push it straight back. I think you do it on your phone. Or is if somebody
This one's kind of fast.
they are all made out of steel. A lot of other companies are switching to aluminum. The only parts that are aluminum on the body are the hood.
Should I take right here now?
Oh, wherever you'd like to go, yeah, down here.
Oh.
Did you want to go see the numbers for this guy too?
Which one?
For this one?
Yeah,
Just to
we can-
kind of see what it looks
Yeah.
like.
Yeah.
So we can go around the building to the Jeep side. So just go this way.
Go that way.
Yeah. Yeah, right here.
It's kind of fast.
No, you're good.
Guys, we are here at Canes. Kain muna kami. So, kakatapos lang namin sa car dealer. Okay, go ahead. Fanta.
Fanta?
Konti lang na ano, konting... Okay. What that? Okay, let's go. Ano kaya may sa loob? Nag-wash na kayo ng hands niya? Nag-wash na kayo ng hands?
Dito, may hugasan ko.
Why are you sad? Why you look sad? Please, I have my bread.
Bread? Pero sabi, standard na raw yan. Dapat may refill, no? Pag dito ako kumain. Para sa pareho.
Okay, we're done eating, guys.
Ano sa atin, oy? May taas.
Wala pareho. Punta kami ngayon ng Lowe's. Ang next agenda namin today ay pupunta kami ng Lowe's tsaka Home Depot. Pero Lowe's muna dahil yun yung malapit dito ngayon. Meron sa Tikatno na Lowe's. And titingin kami ng mga ano. Ano ba tawag doon, Daddy?
Wood floor.
Mga wood floor. Dahil plan namin na this coming summer, papalitan namin yung aming carpet into woods na. Doon sa living room muna sa baba, sa first floor. So, yun yung aming big project this year. So, now we are heading there. And then after that, sa Home Depot. Canvas lang muna, titingin kung ano yung mga available na options na meron sila. Ito na kami guys sa Lowe's. So magka-canvas kami, magtitingin kami ng mga wood floors. Where's my bebe?
Baan nyo yan eh.
Ito yung mga gusto kong It's nice. Itong gusto ko. This is what I like. Ayan yung ganda oh. Yan ang gusto ko. Wow. So what's this? Cooktop electric. Diba? Ang ganda.
Is it gonna burn us?
Ang ganda. Paano kaya magkakaganito na
Ito sa atin, ito wood. Pwede dito. Sa atin, di pwede.
Ang ganda naman. Simple lang siya, pero ganda. I love it. My dream kitchen, all white. There's one over here. Ano naman to, gray.
Gandang to puti.
Oh, that's cool.
Wait, I can put my hidden candle. I mean,
I think this
Nice. Parang gusto ko pa rin ganito kaya sa aluminum.
there's a secret.
sa akin. Pwede hindi na dinimit sa maanan. Dito pwede yung mga
Ganito yung gusto ko, yung shutter. I like this one. Hardwood.
Wait, Daddy, press what?
What's that?
Nothing. Itong kailangan ko. Pero ito, isang buo na to, meron na lahat. Kailangan ko rin ng pambayo.
Let's see.
Maganda sana yung kulay.
Oo, yan maganda.
Hindi siya madulas.
Bali yung floor, yung hardwood floor na nagustuhan namin, back order siya. So, it's gonna take 2 to 3 weeks bago siya dumating. So, ang gagawin muna namin ay susukatin muna namin yung aming floor area. And then, saka na, kami magde-decide kung ilang carton yung kailangan naming bilhin. But, yun. Nakuha ko na yung sukat nung mga wood. But then, titingin din kami mamaya sa Home Depot kasi baka mas meron pa dong iba na color or na design na mas magustuhan namin. So, we'll see. So, it's already 7:35 p.m. Kita nyo naman na maliwanag pa. So, malapit na talagang mag-summer.
Tatapatan ko yun. Isang kapatang tapay. Sa labas yung engine niya. Ayan, yung engine niya nasa labas.
Ang galing.
Nice car! Tawa siya. Sabi niya,
Matanda
nice car.
na may-ari. Mga retired na yon siguro. Or pensionado. Okay guys, sa Home Depot na tayo.
Open sesame. Sarado daw.
Baka sarado na sila. Punta na kami sa Floorings. Yeah, malapit na silang magsira. Hanggang 8 lang sila every Sunday. So, we still have at least 20 minutes para makapaghanap dito. Oh,
Ito, madulas. $1 lang.
dadayo ko ng kulay na ganyan. Gray. Ayoko ng gray.
parang ka natin.
Oo. Ayoko niyan. Para kang parang yan maganda sa mga cottage, Maraming options sila rito, guys. Kesa sa order online. $2.79.
Wala dito.
Okay, online lang din siya. Okay guys, so it looks like na mas mura dito, pero ganun din, online mo siya i-order. And hindi na namin natanong kung gano'ng tagal bago dumating. Pero siguro, mga ganun din, 2 to 3 weeks. So baka, titignan muna namin kung gano'ng karami yung kailangan namin, and then compare ko rin kung kung saan talaga mas okay. Kasi magkaiba sila ng sukat eh. So, kung doon, $3 something per piece dun sa Lowe's. Pero dito sa Home Depot is $2 something lang. But then we'll see. Maganda rin yung nandito na gustuhan ko. So, yun. Uwi na kami, and I think dito ko na i-end yung aming vlog. Thank you guys for spending your time with us, and we'll see you on the next one. Bye!
Bless you.